Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to use Bootstrap extension in Visual Studio Code. It's very simple, easy, and very useful. Let's dive into the tutorial. First, open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions tab. Search for Bootstrap and install a popular extension like Bootstrap 4, Bootstrap Snippets, or Bootstrap IntelliSense. Next, open your HTML file. Start typing a Bootstrap class name, and you'll see auto-complete suggestions instantly. This helps you write correct classes without memorizing everything. Now, link Bootstrap to your project. Add the Bootstrap CDN link inside the head tag of your HTML file. This allows all Bootstrap styles and components to work properly. After that, start using Bootstrap components. Add classes like container, row, and col to build layouts. You can also use ready-made components like buttons, cards, and navbars. That's it. You're now using the Bootstrap extension in Visual Studio Code to code faster and smarter. Thanks for watching.